So first, let me explain exactly what SEO Hero AI audit tool is. It's basically SEO, AEO, Google Search Console data, your Shopify data, like your products, your sales, your orders, all that good stuff, your brand, who you are, what makes you special, who your competition is, and let's grow your business. That's SEO Hero. We're basically combining everything into 5 easy steps that I think any business needs to do with their digital marketing. Research first, collect the data from Google Search Console, do keyword research with Ahrefs, a competitive keyword research. Then optimize your store through a series of checks and fixes that give you an audit score, but at the same time, you can click on it and click optimize, and our SEO Hero agent will just do the work for you. Then grow is opportunities for creating new products and new pages and new blog posts on your website. Auditing is to individually audit a particular page one at a time if you want more granular control. And tracking is that Google rank tracking and LLM rank tracking.